All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and continue on, and we are going to calculate the volume of the rectangular prism. Remember, the volume is going to be length times width times height, okay? So they've already had it in here for us on all of those, so we don't have to do any measuring or counting or anything like that. The one thing you need to make sure is that when we are doing this, we've got to include these units. So for the volume for this one, I'm going to do 4 inches times 3 inches times 4 inches, okay? I'm going to do 4 times 3 is going to be 12. Then I know 12 times 4 is 48 inches cubed, okay? Same thing over here. I'm going to do 3 meters. My measurement, my unit changes, so I need to make sure that I am doing the right unit. I'm going to multiply it by 2 meters and then multiply it by 6 meters. When I do this, 3 times 2 is going to be 6. 6 times 6 is 36 centimeters. Oh, why did I change it to centimeters? Should be meters cubed. Don't know why I changed it to centimeters. Okay, pretty simple. The next one, it says Tyrone is constructing a box in the shape of a rectangular prism. So I'm going to go ahead and draw this rectangular prism. Okay, make it that 3D shape. Okay, you can erase some things if you want to. It says that it has a length of 10 centimeters. It has a width of 7 centimeters, and it has a height of 8 centimeters. So it says, what is the volume of the box? Well, I'm going to go ahead and make my equation. So volume equals 10 centimeters times 7 centimeters times 8 centimeters. Okay, I know that 7 times 8 is going to be 56. Okay, 56 times 10 is going to be 560 centimeters. Okay, cubed. Make sure we have that cubed there. The last one, it says Aaron says he needs more information to find the volume of the prisms. We're going to talk about why he does not actually need more information, okay? First of all, when I look at this, I know that area equals length times width, okay? So volume is going to be length times width times height. It adds that one extra thing to it. So if I already know this length times width, if I already know this, all I have to do is multiply the height. I know the height here is 12 inches. And on this one, I'm looking at this and I'm like, well, I only know what the width is, but if you notice, this is a square. So this one would also be 5 centimeters. So I do know my height. So all I would have to do is take my area and multiply it by my height. So on this one, I could take 6 centimeters squared and multiply it by 5 centimeters. Okay, so then my volume would be 300 because 60 times 5 is 300, and it still is going to be centimeters cubed because I have centimeters squared times centimeters. Okay, same thing over here. I'm going to take my area, 20 inches squared, and I'm going to multiply it by my height, which is 12 inches. Okay, when I do my volume, I'm going to get 240 inches cubed. The reason is because I know 12 times 2 is 24, and I add a 0, and because I have inches squared times inches, it's going to be inches cubed.